Hello everybody, how are you? Today I want to talk about the similarities between Bobi Wine aka Robert Chagulanyi of Uganda and the president of Ukraine, Zelensky. What both of them have in common in similarity. I'll be quick. Number one, and I'll mention a few similarities, like three. Number one, both of them are entertainers. Bobi Wine of Uganda is a musician and Zelensky is a comedian. Both of them have no political experience or know-how that much, but they're both, and they're also both of them loved by Western media. Like DW, France 24, BBC, all sing and praise these two guys out there fighting for freedom of their people. I'm gonna explain a few things. Both of them are loved by Western media. It's not bad, but I'm a little skeptical. Why? Who is pulling these shots? Which oligarch in Britain, in Germany, in France is pulling these shots that these guys are the darling of Western media? Have you ever asked yourself why? Why are they praising Bobi Wine? Are they oligarchs trying to control Ugandan oil, just like they're controlling Ukrainian oil? Think about it. What's your take on that? Why do you think both of them are praised by Western media? Why do you think? Just leave a comment. Another thing I want to say, both of them are entertainers with not too much political office. Zelensky doesn't pull the shots in Ukraine. Zelensky gets advice on how to run his country from England, from the US, from France. And both of them like donations. Zelensky every time is asking for donations from America, from Europe to fight Russia. Same thing with Bobi Wine. Every day is asking for donations from Europe, America to fight Museveni politically. What's your take? What do you think about these two people's similarities? Are they good for their country or no? Both of them are loved again by the Western media. What's your take? Just leave a comment between their similarities. Thank you.